Welcome back to SAP Project Systems. In this video, we're going to be looking at exercise 72 of Unit 9 of the TERP10. In this exercise, I will be demonstrating the project planning board, and more specifically, how you can manage things like project duration or activity duration within the project planning board. So in the previous two exercises, exercise 71 and 70, I created my project and gave it activities. Next, what I want to do is change the duration of one of those activities. So what I can do is I can open up Logistics, Project System, Project, and then Project Planning Board. Last time we went into the Project Builder. This time we're going to go into the Project Planning Board and change our project. So I'll double click on that. Once again, you should have last projects processed from the previous exercises. And then you can click on Turbine Project Group. From here, we have the Project Builder. This is essentially a big Gantt chart with a bunch of other information. If I expand this out here, we can see corresponding costs to each WBS element and each activity. So the whole project structure is laid out on this screen in hierarchical order. So as I said, we want to change the duration of one of our activities. Let's say that we're working on the engineering of drawing, calculation, and design, and we realize, oh crap, this was originally slated to take 15 days. We realize it's going to take at least 25 days. So what you can do is double click on that activity. So that's this one right here. If I double click on this anywhere, try that again, we get this details screen popping up. And what I can do is go down to scheduling, and under normal duration, I can change this to any amount of days I want. I'll change it to 25. And once I do this, I can hit the green check mark. And so then now this will have changed, but unfortunately the system doesn't adjust everything automatically unless you tell it to. So what we have to do next is have all of these changes get pushed down through to the other scheduled dates. So in order to do that, you have to select every activity by hitting this select all button up here, and then hitting the schedule button right here. So with that, you'll see that everything has adjusted. Next, we have to extrapolate our dates. So in order to do that, we have to deselect everything so that there are no check marks here. Then go to Edit, Reconcile Dates, Extrapolate Dates. And as you can see, this line up here at the top has changed. And so with that, you can go ahead and click on the Save button. And if it asks you to save user-specific data, you can click on Yes. And that concludes exercise 72 of Unit 9 of the TERP10 on SAP Project Systems.